Hello, this is Space News with Julia. NASA will soon take a unique launch system out of a spin. The agency has signed on to send a payload up using a suborbital kinetic-energy based system developed by California-based company SpinLaunch. The test flight, which is expected later this year, will provide valuable information to NASA for potential future commercial launch opportunities. Unlike other companies, SpinLaunch uses novel launch strategy. It works by using a rotation arm in a large vacuum chamber, spinning faster and faster until the vehicle it's holding is finally let out of an exit tube. The launch vehicle will light up their engines when they're already high in the sky, greatly reducing the amount of fuel and hardware and by extension money needed to reach orbit. In some ways it's a simple idea, but it's of course not so simple to engineer. However, test launches starting late last year showed that they could at least fire a payload at over 1000 miles per hour to around 30,000 feet and recover it. A new agreement with NASA is an important milestone for SpinLaunch. A test deployment is scheduled for later this year, when SpinLaunch will send a NASA payload up at supersonic speeds and recover it shortly thereafter. The two organizations will then examine the performance of the mission and evaluate its usefulness for future launches. The payload will be launched at about 1500 miles per hour, contained in a 3-meter test vehicle that looks a bit like a torpedo. It will deploy a parachute once at the desired altitude and float to a soft landing. The 33-meter test facility where it will take place is located near Spaceport America in New Mexico. A SpinLaunch representative said the company plans to test at velocities as high as 4600 miles per hour, and they expect the full-scale 100-meter launcher to be operational in 2025. This was Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned with me and don't forget to subscribe.